Hey, I'm Emily and it is Thursday the 7th of January. So my YouTube channel is It's Emily of course, which will be located in the sidebar for your enjoyment. Yeah, that was weird. Okay, so seeing as there's no set theme and challenge, I'm just gonna go with the flow. Yeah, that was awkward, so I'm just going to do a little awkward turtle here. Hope you can see my nails, it's really weird. Okay, I'm in a rather strange mood. It's been a snow day today, hence why my hair is like a complete mess, and I am wearing like a baggy t-shirt and jogging bottoms. So yeah, what you probably don't realise is that in England, like, people have been putting, say it was the 7th of January even, then I would put 7/1/10, because that's how you do it in England, whereas someone in America would put 1/7/10, whereas that would be the 1st of July for us. So it's really weird. How is that? This is probably the most boring video you've ever watched. I blinked at myself. Eyes look up to the skies and see.
You can't touch this. Touch this.
Hello. I'm back.
I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Just keep pushing.
So 5 stars for potentially the worst 2010 vlogs video ever in the whole year. So never see you again. Okay, bye. Oh wait, actually go to my channel, then you'll see me again. Okay, I'll miss you. Bye. Yes, that was a Miley Cyrus concert.